In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a Samsung phone hotspot. This process is straightforward and will allow you to share your phone's internet connection with other devices. Let's get started. First, you need to turn on the hotspot feature on your Samsung phone. To do this, start by opening the Settings app on your device. Now, this is crucial because the Settings app is where you'll find all the options related to your phone's connectivity. It's like the control center for your device. Once the Settings app is open, you will want to look for the option labeled Connections. Tap on it to proceed. This section houses all the connection settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and of course the mobile hotspot. It's important because this is where you'll manage how your phone connects to other devices and networks. After you tap on Connections, you'll see several options. The next thing you need to do is tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. This option specifically deals with sharing your phone's internet connection. It's a handy feature for when you need to connect devices like laptops or tablets to the internet using your phone's data. Next, you should see an option for Mobile Hotspot. Go ahead and tap on that. At this point, you're just one step away from enabling the hotspot. This is the section where you can configure your hotspot settings if needed, such as changing the network name or password. With that ready, you can now proceed to turn on the mobile hotspot. Simply tap the toggle switch to activate it. You will notice a notification or icon appear at the top of your screen, indicating that the hotspot is active. This confirmation is vital as it reassures you that your phone is now ready to share its internet. Remember, turning on your mobile hotspot uses your phone's data plan. It's a good idea to keep track of your data usage, especially if you have a limited plan. This step is significant because managing your data ensures you won't face unexpected charges. Now, once the hotspot is active, you can connect other devices to it. Head over to the device you want to connect, like a laptop or tablet. On that device, open the Wi-Fi settings to look for available networks. You should see your Samsung phone's hotspot appear in the list of available networks. When you see your phone's hotspot name, tap on it to connect. If it's the first time connecting, you might need to enter the password you set up in your hotspot settings. Once connected, you'll be able to use the internet through your phone's data, just like using a regular Wi-Fi network. And there you have it. You've successfully connected to a Samsung phone hotspot. This process is incredibly useful for staying connected while on the go, especially when traditional Wi-Fi isn't available. Make sure to turn off your hotspot when you're done to conserve battery and data. So that's how you connect to a Samsung phone hotspot. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to revisit any step if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and enjoy your internet connection on the go.